Why is fall not ready? I've never been here before. And I have rescheduled this appointment 3 times. Are you excited? Buenos dias. I'm so excited. Finally going apple picking. Apple picking is one of my favorite fall activities, and I think that's probably because growing up in Central Mass, there were a lot of orchards, like a lot of apple orchards. So my family and I, and even my friends as we got older, we would essentially go like orchard hopping, I guess you could say, where we'd be like, okay, this place has the best cider donuts, so like let's go there first, and then we'll go to this place to like actually pick apples, and then after we'll go to this place to like get their apple cider and like do the petting zoo. Which is funny because my husband grew up in the South Shore, and he's like, yeah, apple picking wasn't really like a big thing for us, so of course now he loves it. I hope I don't sound funny. I have my crust white strips in. The skin has been skinning lately, so I think I'm just gonna do my no makeup look, which is essentially just like layers of sunscreen. But I think we can all agree that the best part of fall is not just the temperature change, it's the fashion. Love fall layers, love fall colors. You guys know I am a soft autumn palette. Look at that. Look at just what a nice tinted sunscreen will do for a girl. You know what I'm saying? All right, I'm gonna finish getting ready. And that is the final look. Josh and I came to the cider barn, which is new. I've never been here before. It's actually pretty cool. But safe to say, cider, like hard cider, has come a long way because Josh just did a flight and they were all pretty good. If you come to Carlson Farm, get the Harvard Harvest. That's their best. It's a gorgeous fall day for a fall flavor recipe. I'm gonna take the apples that we picked yesterday and make cinnamon waffles with an apple brown sugar syrup. It's truly divine, but I woke up this morning and was like, I want apple something. But I was like, I don't want apple crisp, I don't want like apple loaf or anything like that. I was like, I want something good. So let's make it together. Literal perfection. And no, my waffles are not burnt. It's because I used almond flour. Almond flour tends to brown at a faster rate than something like gluten-free flour or just regular pancake flour. I was thinking about this all night. You get like the cinnamon and the spice from the pancake, and then the sweetness from the brown butter syrup, and then just finishes with like a nice tartness. Share your favorite fall recipes in the comments with me. You guys, we lost.
No, we didn't. We drew.
That's a loss. A draw is a loss. We only have like 2 more home games, so I'm just soaking it in. So we won't be back until like March of next year since we're out of playoffs. But, yeah. I came to get another Glow 2 facial. I have to do my hair before I go in there because I showered and then realized I had to come to this appointment. I have rescheduled this appointment 3 times. And they'll message me like the day before to be like, hi, like this is your 24-hour notice if you want to cancel. And I'm like, oh yeah, actually I can't do that. Like, can we reschedule? And they're like, sure, what time works for you? And I'm like, whenever. Whenever is clearly not working for me. But I'm here now. Okay, truly I fear this is the best that I can do. Those Glow 2 facials are literally life-changing. I'll show you my face in a second. I'm doing my hair because Josh and I are going out for date night tonight, and obviously I gotta look cute. I'm trying something new with my hair where I'm trying to use like my rollers for the front pieces. What is this? I look like one of the founding fathers. No, because look at my skin. I haven't even done like my skincare. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion to my foundation. This is the Estee Lauder foundation. I'm in the shade 3W 1.5 Fawn. I was cleaning out my I was cleaning out my PR drawer and I found that foundation in it and I was like, you know what? This is an OG foundation. Like the Estee Lauder was one of the first foundations I ever tried. Comment below if you've used the Estee Lauder foundation. Perfect shade match every time. All right, I have to finish getting ready because Josh is gonna be here soon and then we gotta go. It's also like 78 degrees outside. So I'm like, oh, cool. I'll wear like this nice fall outfit. Nope, high of 77 later this evening. Why is fall not ready? Little of the L'Oreal. I also found this product in my PR drawer. This is the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Transformer Skin Perfector. It's like a bronzer, highlight, and setting powder in one. Try to get the bronzer on like the bottom of the brush. Very glowy, but not glittery. Sometimes I hate when things like this are a little too glittery, but that one really works. I like it. Good morning. I'm headed to my regular Saturday morning Rumble Fitness class and I've enticed Josh to come with me. It's so interesting how like your mindset shifts when you have a Saturday morning workout class. Last night at dinner, I didn't have any alcohol, I didn't have dessert. Like I was like, oh, I have to be up and ready and like good for class. Taking electrolytes before, these actually help so much during class because during class I'll drink this and then after class I'll drink water. But like you get 20-30 minutes into this, bro, you're tapped. Like you're real tapped and you need a reserve of energy somewhere. You're like, where am I gonna pull from? Are you excited?
Looking for you to feel powerful, strong. That's what I want from you today. Floor side, here we go, 35 seconds right here. Back side, let's move in, give me some body shots. Go for your hooks and uppercuts. Hook, hook. Up, up.
How'd you do?
It was good. I'm sweaty. It's like I wore my clothes in the shower.
I know, literally.
And I can't really lift my arms. The gloves get really heavy really fast.
Yeah.
But otherwise, good. Yeah.
Would you come back?
Yeah, I'd do it again. Like, it was fun.
This is also one of the longer classes. They're regularly 45 minutes.
Yeah.
But her Saturday classes are an hour. So it's like you do one switch and that's it. So when you have to do the second switch, you're like,
Thanks, chat. Like and subscribe.